You can also set up emergency contacts and emergency SOS features on your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So when you are in an emergency, you can just press the home button 5 times and it will call emergency services and also call your emergency contacts that you will set up in your watch. So let's take a look at how you can do this. Go in settings, go in safety and emergency. Now here you can add your medical information on the watch as well. You can here add your emergency contacts, and then there is emergency SOS feature. Now in this feature you can set up countdown, which is a good idea. If you turn it on accidentally, you will have time to turn it off. There is basically 5, 10 and 20 seconds interval, or you can add in a custom time as well. Then there is the emergency number, so by default it's 911. Then how you can turn it on: press the home button 5 times to call an emergency number. So you will have to press this button 5 times and the watch will make the call for you. Now there is also an option to share information with emergency contacts. So the watch will send your location and an SOS message to your emergency contacts when you will press the home button 5 times alongside calling 911 for you.